Right, amid all the clamour for Chief Minister change in Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister himself, has reacted now. He says, we'll ultimately follow the decision of the High Command. It's a High Command party. We're going to follow what the High Command says. Chief Minister change or no change is not the matter for public debate. It's basically a decision that will be taken at a higher level. It's not for the public to debate. First time that Siddaramaiah himself is speaking after the Ahinda community has spoken in favor of him. Here's what he says.
It is not a matter to be discussed in public. Whatever decision High Command takes, we'll go by the decision of the High Command. I don't want to comment on what Swamiji says. Listen to me. Ours is a national party. There is an High Command. Whatever High Command takes a decision, we'll go by it.
All right, let me cut across to Sagai Raj, who's been tracking the story very closely. Sagai, it appears that the controversy has finally mandated the Chief Minister himself to speak up. Siddaramaiah says, not a matter of public debate. Whatever the decision, it's for the High Command to take. Let's not make this a public debate. Give us more on the Ahinda community supporting Siddaramaiah, claiming that if he is moved out of the CM's chair, they will ensure the Congress is moved out of the state.
Yeah, Ahinda community have threatened the government, saying that if they try to change the chief minister, if they try to negotiate that the chief minister will be changed, they will protest across the state. They will protest in all the district headquarters and talukas. And this particular warning comes after CS have requested to change the chief minister, and a few CS have demanded that even if they are trying to increase the numbers of deputy chief ministers, they should give it for their communities, whether it is Lingayat, Okalika. Now, Yidiga Seer has also jumped into the controversy, where he also demanded that B.K. Hariprasad should be given importance. So the demand is increasing, and even the numbers have been increasing, whether it is chief minister or deputy chief minister. The Seers of their own communities have come forward and demanded that the leaders from their community should be given importance, especially whether it is a chief minister post or a deputy chief minister post or even a KPCC president. Their leaders should be given the top priority. So these are the demands, but the chief minister, who was reacting to all the statements of the CS, right now to say that you cannot debate on this based on the community, you cannot debate on this on the street. There is a high command. High command will take a decision at the right time when it comes to these kind of decisions.
You know, and it's quite natural for the opposition BJP in Karnataka now to take this up, pointing fingers at the Congress government that they're keeping governance in the back burner. Here, power struggle takes precedence.